Tagalog ah.
And my question is, pick your number. Candidate from India. You pick question number 5. And here's your question. What is your idea on Build program?
Tagalog mo daw. Epetetaton? 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 Asian ka! Asian? Nag-i-English? Epetetaton? Asian yung putang ina tapos sa iba, kaya ang translator. Epetetaton? Tapos ka gawin mo pala natin ang ginawa. Ano?